Hi everyone, welcome to the beautiful Kileleshwa. If you are looking for a prime location in Nairobi, this is it. In today's episode, I'll be taking you inside 3 different apartments, each of them with a different lifestyle. Kileleshwa is a sought-after location and it is very close to Nairobi and a short drive to Westlands. The neighborhood is packed with fantastic amenities, shopping, dining, parks, and leisure. Today we will tour a spacious 3-bedroom like this one, perfect for families, a flexible 2-bedroom like this one for professionals, and a sleek 1-bedroom ideal for singles or couples. Stick with me as we explore all the details and see why Kileleshwa could be your next home. This development is located off Oleguruon Road, and each 1-bedroom unit here has a plinth area of 72 square meters. The prices are starting from 7 million Kenya shillings. We also have 2 bedrooms which are starting from 88 square meters, and the prices are starting from 8.55 million Kenya shillings. And then we have a big 3-bedroom with a plinth area of 120 square meters, and the prices are starting from 11.55 million Kenya shillings. When you compare the prices of this development any other in this locality, you realize that this is the most affordable and the most classy development you can invest in. From the main entrance of each 1-bedroom, you'll get a metal casement door and a smart lock. That is very, very important. On the other side, you'll have a box for your internet, of which you are free to choose your provider. At the center of the unit, you'll have your dining set, which is big enough to fit 4 people. So if you are a single person and you have some friends in, they would easily sit with you here and enjoy a warm meal. On my right hand side, you have the kitchen, which will come with fixed appliances. You'll have your wood over here, a 4-burner cooktop, and an oven will be down here. You will get a big sink for you to clean your utensils, and you have this space for your refrigerator. For the people who enjoy storing a lot of food in the house, you will enjoy this upper and lower cabinetry, which are giving you ample space and a good space for your storage. This is a 2-bedroom unit, and on this other side where you get an access to the 2 bedrooms, you have a space that has been left over here where you can do a console table or a shoe rack. Right now we are in the living room, and I'm so happy that the developer is able to give you these high ceilings, remembering that this development is going up to 17 floors. As you can see, the living room has been done excellently to fit a 5-seater couch, and you have an ample space where you can sit, relax, and enjoy your favorite TV station. If that is not enough, this 2-bedroom unit comes with a big access to the balcony, which is also acting as a window to make sure that this unit is getting a ton of natural light. The balcony is huge. It has been done very well, and it is overlooking the best views of this locality. This 2-bedroom unit comes with 2 bathrooms. One is in the primary bedroom, and the other one is the common bathroom, which is also acting as the bathroom to the 1st bedroom. The bathroom is of a standard size, coming with a huge shower cubicle. A WC is at the center, and you're also going to get a vanity which comes with a smart mirror. This is the 1st bedroom, and it is targeting your young child, or maybe afraid if you are a single person. As you can see, it would easily fit a king-size bed, You have some spaces over here where you can do some side drawers. The window is big to give you enough natural light, and I like it that the developer still maintains the good ceiling heights in the bedrooms. From the first bedroom, the primary bedroom comes with its own bathroom. The only difference between this bathroom and that other one is just the orientation. Everything else is coming as standard. As this is the primary bedroom, you would easily do a queen size bed. And as you can see, the bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one. You also get a slightly bigger closet, which has been partitioned very well to fit all your hangable clothes and foldable clothes down there. And if that is not enough, the developer has given you these spaces for the shoes. The primary bedroom is also enjoying a huge windows for good natural light and the best views. That's all about this 2-bedroom unit. Right now we are going to see the 1-bedroom unit, and later we will see the 3-bedroom unit, which is targeting the families. From my own observation, I would say that the biggest difference between a 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom is that the 2-bedroom is just coming with 2 bedrooms. The size of the sitting room and the dining area and the kitchen space is almost the same, but with negligible differences. From the main entrance, you will get a smart door as usual. You have this part which has been set aside for you to do a console table or your shoe racks. On my far front, you have the kitchenette. It has been done very well, and this is a huge kitchenette for a 1-bedroom unit. I like the quality of this cabinetry. I like it that this is a 1-bedroom and the developer was able to give you a space big enough to fit such a refrigerator. If you remember very well, the 2-bedroom had a dining area which was able to fit 4 dining seats. But in the 1-bedroom, you only get 2 seats for you and your friend, or for you and your roommate. The kitchenette will come with fixed appliances as usual, and the living room is not the biggest, though it would easily fit a 4-seater couch like this one, or maybe a slightly bigger couch if you like squeezing your rooms. The highlight of this 1-bedroom unit is the huge balcony that comes with it, and that makes it very easy for you and your 4 cousins to enjoy. For a 1-bedroom, this bathroom is huge, and it comes with a huge vanity behind me. You have a WC at the center, and on my left hand side, you get a shower cubicle. This is standard for all the 1-bedroom units. The bedroom itself is sizable. I like the quality of the doors that the developer is giving you, and I like it that this space would easily fit a queen-size bed. The closet has been done very well, floor to ceiling, coming with spaces for the shoes as usual, or if you do not have many shoes, or if you have a shoe rack on the other side, you can always use this space for your decorations. The bedroom is also enjoying access to the balcony to where you can sit and enjoy sipping your morning coffee. From the 1-bedroom unit, we are heading to the 3-bedroom unit, and remember, this one is huge. 120 square meters, and the prices are starting from 11.55 million Kenya shillings. Walk with me. From the main entrance, you would notice that the 3-bedroom is slightly bigger than the 1 and the 2 bedrooms. You can also notice that the orientation is different and the spaces are just a tiny bit bigger comparing to what we saw in the 2-bedroom. For only 11.55 million Kenya shillings in a high-end area, getting a 3-bedroom is almost impossible, but this developer has made it to happen. As you can see, the kitchenette or the kitchen itself is giving you numerous number of storage. You get a big sink to allow you wash and rinse your utensils. You will get fixed appliances in the kitchen, which will include a heat extractor, a 5-burner cooktop, and an oven. On this other side, you'll have a space for your refrigerator, of which the space is big enough for you to do a side-by-side refrigerator. The dining set is not the biggest. It wouldn't fit 6 people, but for a 4-people nuclear family, this dining set is excellent. Proceeding to my left-hand side where you have the sitting room, the developer is able to give you an ample space for you to do your 6-seater couch. And from my left-hand side, you have a big window which is giving you a ton of natural light in this space. I have noticed that there is something very unique about this developer. He has done his lights very well. You get some directional lights on this side. You get 2 small chandeliers, one in the living room and another one in the dining area. This unit is also coming with hidden curtain rails just to make sure that the home is looking sleek and very unique. The highlight of this 3-bedroom unit is the huge balcony that it gets. From here, you'll be able to get the best views of Kileleshwa. And from this balcony, you can be able to access your master bedroom over there. This is the access to the 2nd bedroom. And on my far front, where the videographer is, you'll get an access to the main living room. From the common spaces, you have a landing over here, which is giving you an access to the rest of the unit. On my left-hand side, you have the 2nd bedroom. Behind me, you have the primary bedroom, which is also coming with a balcony. And on my right-hand side, you have the 1st bedroom, which is next to the shared bathroom. Let's see all these spaces. The common bathroom is coming with a huge vanity and a smart mirror. You have a space to hang your towels. A WC is necessary, and on my left hand side you have a shower cubicle. The 1st bedroom has been done excellently. It is adopting a similar concept to all the small bedrooms that we have seen in this development. As you can see, the closet has been done excellently as usual. Floor to ceiling is necessary because it protects the unit from getting the dust that settles up there. The sleeping space would easily fit a 5x6 bed or maybe a smaller bed if you are targeting this bedroom to be used by your tiny children. There are 2 differences between the 1st bedroom and the 2nd one. First, this comes with a tinier closet compared to the 1st one, but the size of the room itself, the 2nd bedroom is enjoying a bigger space. As you can see, you would easily do a king size or a queen size bed here, so this bedroom would be excellent for your teenagers. This bedroom is enjoying an access to the balcony, and from here, we will use the balcony to access the master bedroom where I'll meet with you guys. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it gets the biggest window to make sure that you'll be able to enjoy the best views of Kileleshwa. The sleeping space is not the biggest, though you would easily do a queen size bed over here. For the people who have a less appetite for shopping, this closet is ideal. But if you need big storage spaces, I think you'll have to use one of the kids' bedrooms. The developer may not have done you justice by giving you a small closet storage, but he has done something extraordinary in this bathroom. It is huge enough for 2, and it comes with all the fixtures that you may require. On top of that, he has given you a double towel holder for you and your sit-out. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you are interested in either the 1, 2 or 3 bedroom units, feel free to call us. Our number will be attached down here. And for the shorter versions of this video, make sure you check out our Instagram, our TikTok or our Facebook page. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one.